Rapeseed, canola, is a plant. Essentially you put it in a commercial press, and it will come out gummy. And so to degum it, you use something called hexane. And hexane, if you go to National Institute of Health or National Library of Medicine, you'll see that is a known neurotoxin. It's classified as a neurotoxin, same as fluoride, right? Which is actually fluorosilicic acid. We get to that later. But so we degum it with hexane. And then you take this degummed oil and you heat it to 405 degrees, which turns it rancid. I mean, there's no mechanism on Earth for temperatures to reach that much, especially plants to encounter those kind of temperatures. So now it denatures, it turns rancid. So now it's putrefied and it smells. So now you have to deodorize it. So we deodorize it with sodium hydroxide. So we degum it with a powerful neurotoxin. We heat it to 405 degrees and turn it rancid. And then we deodorize it with a very powerful carcinogen. And then in some cases, we bleach it and bottle it and put it on the shelf. You ever go to the grocery store and you see the entire grocery aisle? It's all these like Wesson oils or vegetable oils, but they're all exactly the same color. Mm-hmm. Like exactly. They have that same beautiful clear hue. That's not now
they
anything
look super healthy
in nature.
No.
If you squeezed 10,000 watermelons into watermelon juice and put it all on the shelf,
they would vary a little bit.
Yeah. But there's no variance there. And so this is a chemically controlled process. And it's, again, it's not back to the polyunsaturated fatty acids per se. It's the pro-inflammatory process that they cause. These foam cells and the inflammation in our arterial wall, which actually calls cholesterol to the site of inflammation. And we blame cholesterol for a lot of the heart disease, atherosclerosis, arterial sclerosis, because it's at the scene of the crime, but it rarely pulls the trigger. I mean, cholesterol is kind of like a fireman.